Meaning of greet.
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 Greet. The word greet means to welcome someone with particular words or gestures, or to acknowledge their presence. It can also refer to showing respect or admiration towards someone. Greeting is a common social practice that is used in various situations, such as when meeting someone for the first time or when acknowledging someone's arrival. Effective greeting skills can help establish rapport and build positive relationships. Additionally, it is important to use appropriate greeting etiquette based on cultural norms and context of the situation. Overall, greeting is an important aspect of human communication and social interaction.